Hello, today I'm going to show you another easy tutorial, which is the chanterelle mushroom. And here are the materials that you need. Get a small amount of air-dry clay and mix it with a sunflower chalk pastel. You can as well add chalk pastel even if you are using a yellow colored clay. This will help enhance the color of the clay. Using your fingers, mix it really well until the color is even. Next, take a small amount of the clay mixture and roll it to a ball. And then, pinch one side to create the stem. On the other end, press the clay with your thumb and index finger to create the cap. Next, place the mushroom on top of the sponge, stem facing up, and create the gills by using an X-Acto knife. And I suggest to use an X-Acto knife or blade because it is easier to make the lines, and the lines are also finer than using a blunt tip sculpting tool. Next, using the X-Acto knife, curl the edges of the cap just like on the picture above. Let the clay completely dry before adding color after you do this step. And don't forget to cut the pointy tip so that the mushroom would look more realistic. And then next, paint the mushroom using sunflower yellow and some dark yellow acrylic paint. Don't paint the whole thing solid, just use a vertical stroke so it will leave different shades on the mushroom. And after painting, don't forget to seal it with transparent acrylic spray or a hairspray. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it and good luck on your new project. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.